Good afternoon, Wildcat family. Shelley, Arrott, Superintendent, Ponca City Public Schools. I'm coming to you today to ask you to work hard to help us stop the spread of COVID-19. I am urging all families to keep their children at home if someone in the family has tested positive that lives in the home, because it's highly likely that someone that lives in the home with a positive test will develop COVID-19 even if they're not exhibiting symptoms. If your child is a close contact and has been identified as a close contact, don't send them to school either. There's a reason they are a close contact identified by the health department. It's highly likely that they could develop COVID-19. When we have a positive case within the school, we will do a contact tracing investigation. And we have put very, very rigid protocols in place to minimize the people who are close contacts. However, if someone, a teacher or a child, is less than 6 feet for 15 minutes or more with a positive case, we will quarantine whoever that may be. We have to stop the spread. And when we quarantine through our own contact tracing investigation, that means the students can't come to school for 14 days. They cannot participate in school activities for 14 days because 14 days is the length of the incubation time that they could develop COVID-19. And I will tell you, I sent you a press release on Friday, which was our last isolation or our last quarantine. On Monday and Tuesday of this week, we have already closed 3 classrooms at elementary schools, and we are working several other contact tracing investigations. I will bring that data to you this weekend through a press release and let you know exactly where the quarantines are. But the only way we can stop the spread is to keep our positives out of the school. Kids need to stay home if they are living with someone who tested positive or if they've been told by the health department to quarantine. So help us with this issue, please. If not, our kids are going to be out of school, and we want to try to avoid a total school closure for a period of time. So I'm urging you to help us with this issue. Even in school and out of school. Out of school, social distance. Wear a mask if you can't be more than 6 feet from the people around you. That's inside or outside. This disease spreads rapidly, and we will follow contact tracing investigation and quarantines as recommended by the CDC, and that's 14 days, no exceptions. So please help us with this issue. Some things that I would like to remind you to do: we are trying to call parents constantly. Update your numbers in the parent portal. I realize telephone numbers change. Please keep those updated and watch for a call from the school, and please take it either if you're at work or at home, because we may need you to come and pick up your child as soon as possible. If you have any questions, call us back at 580-767-8000. Please stay safe and keep positives and close contacts at home.